we're spraying the guys with the equine. We saw some ticks jump on them today, and we don't want any trouble. We don't want no trouble. No trouble, no trouble. So we spray them and we brush it in. I think these guys are too young for oral medication. Plus, we don't give oral medication. We actually have a topical called ivermectin in the purest form that we will be applying to the bigger dogs. So look for that video if you haven't already seen it. And that kills worms, fleas, it kills everything. So we saw some fleas on these guys. Not fleas, but ticks. So we want to make sure those ticks, we want to get them real good. We don't want those ticks to have any fun. Of course, they don't like it. And I don't like it. So I'm gonna lock these guys up now. They've been treated, and they're good to go. Cool in here. I'm gonna put some soap out of that real quick. I got a stink smell.